delicious homemade koshari recipe, easy and affordable for beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to learn how to make the iconic Egyptian dish, koshari. This dish is a delightful combination of rice, lentils, and pasta, topped with a flavorful tomato sauce and crispy fried onions. The best part? It's easy to make and budget-friendly, perfect for beginners. So, let's dive into the world of delicious Egyptian cuisine. Before we start, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for our homemade koshari. Don't worry, these are simple and affordable, making it a perfect dish for anyone to try. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 1 cup brown lentils, 1 cup elbow macaroni, 1 large onion, for frying, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 can, 400 grams, crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, salt and pepper to taste. Preparing lentils and rice. Let's start by cooking the lentils and rice. Rinse 1 cup of brown lentils under cold water, removing any debris. Then, in a pot, combine the lentils with 3 cups of water and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the lentils are tender but not mushy. In a separate pot, rinse 1 cup of rice until the water runs clear. Combine the rice with 2 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the water is absorbed. Cooking pasta. While our lentils and rice are cooking, let's prepare the pasta. Boil 1 cup of elbow macaroni according to the package instructions. Remember to add a pinch of salt to the boiling water for flavor. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and set it aside for later. Frying onions. Now, let's add a delightful crunch to our koshari with some crispy fried onions. Slice 1 large onion thinly. In a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the sliced onions and fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them, so they don't burn. Once done, transfer them to a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Preparing tomato sauce. Our lentils, rice, pasta, and fried onions are ready. Now, let's move on to the flavorful tomato sauce that ties everything together. In a pan, heat a tablespoon of oil, add 2 minced garlic cloves, and sauté until aromatic. Next, add a can of crushed tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the pan. Season with a teaspoon each of cumin and coriander. Stir well and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Add salt and pepper to taste. Assembling the koshari. Now that all our components are ready, let's assemble our homemade koshari. You can arrange the layers however you like, but the traditional method is to start with a base of rice, followed by lentils, then pasta. Pour a generous amount of the tomato sauce over the layers. Don't forget to sprinkle those delicious crispy fried onions on top. And there you have it, a delicious and affordable homemade koshari. This dish is not only easy to make but also a crowd pleaser. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. So, if you're a beginner in the kitchen or just looking for a tasty new recipe to try, give this one a shot. Thank you for joining us today on our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more culinary adventures. Happy cooking! Thank you very much Egyptian koshari dish lovers.